say more English.
Good evening, how was everything?
Hi, can I have a check, please?
Of course, I'll bring it right over.
Thank you.
Here you are, take your time.
Thanks. Can I ask a question about the check?
Sure, do you have any questions?
Yes. What is this extra $5 for?
Let me see, it says soup.
Soup? We didn't have any soup.
I'm sorry about that. What table are you at?
We are at table 12.
Thank you, and your name is Anna, right?
Yes, that's right.
I see the problem, I gave you the wrong check.
Okay, can you bring the correct one, please?
Yes, I'll fix it right now.
Thank you.
Here is the correct check, and the soup charge is removed.
Great, can you tell me the total now?
The total is $80.
Does that include tax?
Yes, it includes tax.
Okay, can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cards.
Do I need to tip separately?
The tip is not included. You can add it on the receipt.
Okay, I'll add a tip.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Could I get a receipt, please?
Of course, I'll be right back with your receipt.
By the way, we enjoyed the dinner.
I'm glad to hear that. Did everything taste good?
Yes, the food was great and the service was great.
Thank you. Have a nice evening.
You too.
Goodbye.